Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Study Pizza Khmer with me from Phnom Penh City, Cambodia. Today in this video, I am going to teach you about Khmer consonant group sound O. Before I start the lesson, I would like to tell you that Khmer consonant was separated to two group sound. First group sound is the sound O, and second sound is the sound O. In group sound O, there are 18 letters: Go, Ko, Ngo, Cho, Cho, Nho, Đô, Thô, Tô, Thô, Nô, Pô, Po, Mo, Yo, Ro, Lo, and the last is Vo, Vo. Please note that vowel, when used with the group O sound, there are 18 letters. It will change the sound. It's not the same sound as a group sound O. Okay. Now let's see together. Ear, I, I, U, 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 Ủa, Ứa, Ía, Ấy, Ố, Ấu, Ống, Oám, Ú, Ý, and the last is Or. Please note that some vowels have the same sound. They are ear, okay, In this video, we're going to learn practicing sound of three letters: Ko, Ko, and Ngo. Okay, now let's start our lesson. This one is letter Ko. Now let's say together: Ko, Ko. When you say Ko, you will hear the sound O in letter Ko. Now let's say together again: Ko, Ko. Okay, let's see some example. The first one is the word Ke. Ke, I spell letter Ko plus sra e. So we can say Ko e ke. Ke. In English, it means that someone like he, she, his, her, him, they. In Pizza Khmer, the word Ke, it means that not talk about the real name of people. Number 2 is the word Ko. I spell letter Ko plus sra o. So we can spell Ko o Ko. Ko in English is means that cow or ox. Number 3 is the word Ku. I spell Ko u Ku. Ku nung ro. Ku. Ku in English is means that to draw or pen. This one is letter Ngo. Now let's say together: Ngo, Ngo. When you say Ngo, you will hear the sound O in letter Ngo. Now let's say together again: Ngo, Ngo. Okay, I show you some example. The first one is the word Ca nghĩa. I spell letter Ko plus sra a plus ro. We can spell Ko a Ka. Ka nung ro. Ka. Letter Ngo plus sra ia nung ro. We can spell Ngo ia nghĩa. Nghĩa nung ro. Nghĩa. Ca nghĩa in English is mean that job, works, position or business. Number 2 is the word ngô. I spell letter ngô not combined with the vowel. So I spell ngô, ngô nâng rô, ngô. Ngô in English is mean that sock. Number 3 is the word nghĩa. I spell letter ngô plus sra ia plus có. Ngô ia nghĩa, nghĩa nâng có, nghĩa. In English is mean that turn or we can say turn away. For example, in Khmer I say nghĩa chuen. Nghĩa chuen I spell ngô ia nghĩa, nghĩa nâng có, nghĩa. Cho chừng vô chó, chó e chue, chue ngô, chuen, nghĩa chuen. In English it means that turn left. Number 4 is the word nghĩa. I spell letter ngô plus sra ia plus dớ. We can spell ngô ia nghĩa, nghĩa nâng dớ, nghĩa. Nghĩa in English it means that easy. Now I show you one more example. In Khmer we can say ca nghĩa ní cứ nghĩa srul. In English it means that this work is easy. Now I translate the word. Ca nghĩa English is mean that works, and this English is this. Nghĩa srul in English is mean that easy.